Hi guys, so it is, let me just switch on these lights. It's almost 11 now, it's 1 hour to go and I'm just shooting this for the vlog. And we're going to decorate the house ourselves. No surprise because quarantine. So she's got balloons and we're going to decorate the house ourselves. And even bake the cake. My sister's baking the cake for me. Also, how cute is this pajama set? It's from a place where now we can't buy from, but just letting you know. Who says you're not worth it? Who says you're not true? Trust me, beauty. Huh? Who says? Hi, Dory. Hi, so oh, कौन है? आउट बेल के बजे लिए अच्छा वीडियो ओहो केक आया है so one is in making but the other one is here because the other one that she is making for me or she's baking for me is gonna be a special cake. That's what. So for tonight we're gonna use this cake and then for tomorrow she's gonna make one for me. Yay! As I was saying, we got these. Not we. She got these happy birthday and balloons for me so that we decorate our house. And yeah, that's all. Rest I'm gonna show what's happening tomorrow, and I'll show my gifts also. Yeah. Also, I'm just gonna wear this pajama tonight because it's a quarantined birthday party. Okay, this cake. Thank you, Kapil, for sending this. Not actually sending it, but okay. Thank you. Why is this S like this?
Is it Teda like you?
Dieting anyway. So yeah, but it's okay. So this is the Ferrero wala cake, which I told my friend to send for me, and he did. Oh my god. Come on, come on. Me and my sister used to enact this song. And you know,
You, me and Komal.
yeah, one of my cousin sister Komal used to do this. And
I used to be the pink one.
And she used to be this person all the time. And I used to cry because I wanted to be her. But she wanted to be her.
Look at the top.
We were so obsessed with the top. See. And I was this girl. And I was the black top. And that the other girl was my sister Komal.
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy
वीडियो बन के लेंस के पूरा मुंह लपसा के ले ऊपर हाइट में लग ले नहीं
हैप्पी बर्थडे डॉली तेरा पूरा ऐप है तो Ferrero chocolate
एक कार्टन से ना एक का फेसबुक वाला
बोलिए थैंक यू कर लो
अरे
वीडियो बता देते हैं क्या आपने दिखा रही हो
This is for you, my friend. The one I can share my mind with. The one I can tell my soul to. To the one who relates to my character. The real me. I know I can laugh and cry when it all seems so tough with you. For never giving up on me. For reassuring me of my talents. For always reminding me that I'm enough. Almost perfect. Thank you, Shivani. You don't know what you mean to me. I look up to you for the strong, confident, self-sufficient, caring, intelligent, and beautiful woman that you are. I'm so proud of you, you little one, for all that you've achieved in your teens. The journey to success has just begun. I want you to know that I'm always here to listen and help in all the ways I can. I will try to at least be half the friend that you have been to me. I feel blessed to have met you in this lifetime. What do I love the most about us? I love how we go right back to how we were no matter how long we've been apart. It's so easy to feel at home with you. Jokes, fears, fights, laughs, dreams. We've shared and done it all. We've come a long way. And I'm just so glad to know that I'll have you by me in the coming years. You're precious, Shivani. Your birthday is just a reminder for our friendship has got another year old. Happy birthday, Shivi. I love you.
I am reading all of the messages that I got and they are very amazing.
and behind mommy is eating something
She's the camera? Did we get the camera? Oh, yes.
she manages to find the camera
Yeah. She's not camera conscious. She's camera subconscious. This is how I made my bedroom. Like, I changed my bed sheet. I changed the vibe. And I am super tired, super sleepy as well. Thank you so much for all the wishes. My birthday has just started and I'm gonna film the entire day tomorrow. I will also do like a mini makeup reel and I might be, that might be really up on, that might be already up on my reels. But yeah, I'm gonna shoot how I do my makeup and I shoot some pictures and we're also gonna make a cake at home. So stay tuned and thank you so much for all the wishes. I'll see you guys. Bye. Good morning, guys. I just woke up and this person here is still sleeping. It's 10:30, I guess, and it's my birthday. So happy birthday to me. I'm gonna read all of my DMs right now and reply. Good morning. So the breakfast for your birthday has to be your cake. Hey guys, so I just took a bath. I just wore some random top and normal clothes right now because I had to wear new. And I'm gonna shoot my makeup video. And yeah, I am gonna do an IGTV or a small video. I don't know. I'm not sure about it. And what look I'm gonna do, I'm not even aware of it. I'm just gonna do something which naturally comes to me. Yeah, so now I'll go and shoot and then I'll go down and click some pictures because it's not raining right now. So let's see. It's raining. So I am done with my makeup. I'm just gonna change into my birthday outfit. Right now I'm just wearing some random top and pants. But now I'm gonna change into my birthday outfit and I'm gonna take an umbrella and go down because I need pictures. So I'm gonna go down and shoot. This is what I would normally do and that's what I'm gonna do on my birthday also. So I'll see you guys. Bye. Pictures, and she clicked all my pictures today, and it's still raining. I'm gonna edit the pictures and post them really soon now. So stay tuned. Soon now. Okay. Bye. So I went out. I shot a few pictures. I am home now. I changed into something very comfy. This is from Fab Valley. I really love the material. I'm just talking about I'm just talking about it because I really like the material and stuff. And I decided to go all normal now. This is like my third change. I got 22 gifts. Oh my god.
3 you already got, no?
Yes. What is this?
3 gifts I already gave
This
you.
was my idea. This
Ah,
is
this
a
is his idea.
reflector. Now you can shoot better videos.
So 4 gifts were already done.
this is
Which is
fifth.
1 mask, 1 was a pillow, 1 was the wallpaper, and 1 was the yoga mat.
This is the fifth
Fifth.
gift, which is a reflector for me to shoot videos. Wait, let the light come.
Scarf.
Wow, nice.
Dory, can you move?
I
Sorry.
didn't
Yeah.
have a scarf.
Ah, yeah.
This is your personal vanity.
I can't digest the fact that I have so many gifts. Who organizer? Oh, ये तो मतलब पूरा Amazon आया है मेरे घर पे makeover. Oh my god, I have lipstick also. I was supposed to do this unboxing gifts later, but this is first time in the 22 years that I got 22 gifts. इतने सालों में पूरा मिला के भी 22 gifts नहीं मिले होंगे मुझे. This Dory, let's wear it right now only. Oh, leopard cover, wow. अब चलते हैं. हम वीडियो में अच्छा दिखा दिए कि बाल खोल दिए,
खोल दे.
गंदा दिखा दिया.
हाँ बस वो दे रहे थे एक साइड. हाँ अच्छा लग रहा है.
Pastel nail polish guys, shade which is the marble pink shade. I will review later guys. Kurta also again in pastel shade.
तुझे भी गिफ्ट चाहिए?
This is bracelet.
Bracelet.
Okay, and it has always my sister, forever my friend written. Can you see it?
Wind charm.
बचपन में बहुत पीड़ित रहा था. Oh wow. Now my room is going to be aesthetically pleasing. Oh my god, cover also. यार, मतलब इतना तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था कि मेरे बर्थडे पे होने वाला है.
Hello.
ये
Good excitement.
Nice question.
एकदम बढ़िया. 10, 11, 12.
Very good to see. Oh, I have a baggage.
मामा कॉल करो.
part of that.
23.
23 is.
This is my next birthday.
Oh, this is the chocolate. Purvi, I got it if you're watching this video. मैंने 22 gifts और उसके साथ 22 boxes for her to play. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, as you saw, I received 22 gifts for the first time in 22 years, and it was fun. My birthday is going super fun, super amazing, and now we're baking cake.
Cakes?
She's making the cakes.
I'm bakes the cakes.
She bakes the cakes. And you're making the bee cake, na?
Don't tell everybody.
She's trying to make a bee cake, honeybee inspired cake. Let's see how it turns out. Keep watching. Hello.
Hello.
आप वही हो ना जिसको मैंने वो वीडियो में लिया था?
हाँ.
मेरी बहन की शादी वाली.
पैसा भी नहीं दिया.
Common boy जीजू. और अभी हम जाएंगे केक काटने केक मेरे लिए सरप्राइज है, अभी तक मैंने देखा नहीं है। अगर मैं ऐसा कहूँगी तो वो झूठ है। मैंने देख लिया है, बट आई एम वेटिंग टू शो यू गाइस।
I am waiting to act as I'm excited.
Yes, because it's a surprise birthday party. So cake.
You saw it?
I already saw it. And this is my bee cake. My bee cake which she made at home.
With my hand.
No, not at all. She made it all by herself. I also didn't help her at all. Mummy didn't. I didn't.
You also didn't help.
I didn't help her, but
मैंने किया,
मम्मी helped.
मैंने help किया.
And this is my bee. Yeah.
में काट दे.
नहीं. ताली नहीं बजा.
Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Shivani. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I like it. Spit on it.
Wait करो. अच्छा.
This cake is very precious.
Will not, I said no.
Can I eat the
I
beef?
will not, I said no.
Promise.
I eat the beef. Please now. Please now.
Show them the beef.
And jump.
एक सिमो. ये कितना मस्त. साइड बाय साइड फोटो शूट हो रहा है ना. हाँ. So how was my birthday?
You tell me how was your birthday?
It was fun. It was amazing. It was good. And I don't know if the lights are right. I think we should come like this. Yeah. So it was fun. It was amazing. And she made a cake for me, which was
Customized cake.
Customized.
It was a customized cake.
हाँ,
It was a personalized.
Personalized. So it was a personalized cake that she made for me, which was in a bee themed cake. And then she made biryani, which I couldn't shoot about, but we are full with biryanis in our stomach. And now she's going to leave and she's going to go home. And then we are back to
Square one.
square one, where we are going to only have fun on Instagram and enjoy. So this was how my 22nd birthday was. And how are you feeling about going back home?
It's okay. What to do?
See you. Say bye.
Bye.
Hi guys. I don't know, lights are here. I've just had like this new indoor setup. Not a setup, but wow. I got this gift from my Jiju, which I can use for videos. Okay. Okay guys, मैं सबसे पहले तो पता नहीं तेरा ओके हाय गाइस, सबसे पहले तो मैं बहुत 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 बड़ा थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगी. आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ यू जिसने मुझे मैसेज, डीएम, मेरे लिए स्टोरी, पोस्ट, कमेंट्स, वीडियोस, वीएम्स, केक, बहुत सारी चीज़ें की. थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू हु टुक आउट टाइम फॉर मी. और बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल बना दिया मेरा बर्थडे. अगर आप लोग नहीं होते तो शायद मेरा लॉकडाउन बर्थडे ऐसा नहीं होता और मैं बहुत सैड होती, घर पर होती. घर पर ही होती ऑब्वियसली, सॉरी घर पर ही होती और शायद बोर हो रही होती. बट थैंक यू सो मच, आप लोग ने इतना सारा प्यार दिया और मेरा बर्थडे इतना स्पेशल बना दिया. और अगर आप सोच रहे होगे कि वाई इज़ माई टॉप वेट एंड माई हेयर इज़ वेट, क्योंकि मैं नीचे गई थी मेरी बहन को छोड़ने एंड इट स्टार्टेड रेनिंग एंड आई डिडंट कैरी एन अम्ब्रेला और आई हैड टू रन इन द रेन लाइक माई बॉलीवुड ड्रीम एंड कम बैक होम. So I'm all sweaty and my hair is all wet, but it's okay. Overall, it was an amazing 22nd birthday, guys. I'm so thankful to God कि मुझे आप जैसे लोग मिले, हर एक इंसान जो ये वीडियो देख रहा होगा। थैंक यू सो मच। आपका हर एक मैसेज, आपका हर एक विश बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल है मेरे लिए। और मैं ये रिफ्लेक्टर यूज़ कर रही हूँ इस वक्त, जो मेरे जीजू ने मुझे दिया है। I'm just trying to figure out ये कैसे यूज़ करते हैं, बट मेकअप वीडियोस के लिए बहुत काम आएगा। ये सब मेरे साथ पहली बार हो रहा है कि इतने सारे लोग हैं जो मुझे विश कर रहे हैं और मुझे मैसेजेस कर रहे हैं, तो मुझे थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, बट आई प्रॉमिस आई विल रिप्लाई टू ऑल ऑफ योर मैसेजेस। शायद अब तक मैंने सबका रिप्लाई कर भी दिया होगा जब तक ये वीडियो मैं पोस्ट करूँगी। और अगर मैंने किसी का मिस कर दिया तो आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक यू यार। आप लोग मेरी लाइफ के सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर हो, और ये चीज़ मैं ऐसे ही नहीं बोलती हूँ, बट आई रियली मीन इट दैट यू गाइज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मी। आई एम व्हाट आई एम बिकॉज ऑफ यू गाइज, and a little bit of because of myself, but you guys have made me a better person, and thank you so much. I promise to be the same forever and ever and ever until my 50th or like the century wala birthday. I will always be the same. I will always keep loving you, and I hope you guys love me too. And thank you so much for watching the video also. And I said and like 5 to 30 times now, but and thank you so much. I love you all. As I told you, I always tend to cry on my birthday, but I feel so overwhelmed with the amount of love that I've received, और बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है। तो very nice feeling, and I don't know. I don't want to cry, but thank you so much each one of you. और मैं बार बार thank you बोलूँगी, but I am really thankful. और I don't know what I would do without you guys. मेरे पुराने दोस्त, मेरे कलीग्स, मेरे फ्रेंड्स, मेरी सारी फैम, मैं आप में से किसी को कभी फैंस नहीं बुलाना चाहूँगी। I would always want you to be my fam, my family, and you guys are my family. You guys proved it to me on this very special day, and I'm really thankful. And it's the fam, very close to me, and you guys will always be. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know how you liked it or not, but I really had an amazing 22nd birthday and a lockdown birthday. I expected it to be really boring and not much fun, but it was the opposite. It was an amazing birthday with only family members, and homemade cake, chicken biryani, with 22 gifts. As you guys saw, I was super excited, and with this as well, which is making my videos really pretty now, and I'm gonna have much more quality content coming in. So thank you so much for hanging in, and if you come this far, you know I love you and you guys mean everything to me. Also, अगर आपको मुझे गिफ्ट देना है तो please don't forget to like, share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We are very close to 7K, I guess. तो जल्दी कर दो 10K, और Instagram पे 50K. I wanted to get 50K on my birthday, but it's okay. I don't know. देखो, मैं जब ये शूट कर रही हूँ अब तक मुझे पता नहीं है, अभी 10:30 बज गए, तो शायद हो भी जाए, बट anyway, thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for being so sweet and loving me, and I love you all. Bye. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also leave a comment below, and I'm going to reply to each of your comments like I always do. So I love you. Take care. chicken biryani. Sorry. Bye. Bye. Take care. I love you. Bye. I do. Thanks, Didu.